Boeing workers have decided to continue their strike after rejecting the company's wage deal on Wednesday, extending the month-long walkout that already has taken a toll on companies' finances. A significant 64% of members voted against the latest offer, which included a proposed 35% wage increase over 4 years. Now, this marks the second time the union has turned down a deal with a previous offer rejected by 95% of workers last month, sparking the strike.
Boeing workers rejected a wage deal and chose to continue striking Wednesday, extending a month-long strike damaging the company's finances.
Today, members voted to reject the company's latest offer by 64%.
The plane maker's latest offer had included a 35% wage hike over 4 years. Its rejection marks the second deal the union has voted down. The last offer was rejected by 95% of workers voting last month and triggered the strike. Workers have been frustrated with a decade of wages that have lagged behind inflation, while Boeing spent billions on share buybacks and paid out record executive bonuses. Among their demands was a 40% pay hike and the return of a defined benefit pension. International Association of Machinists District 751 President John Holden said the union would continue pushing for better terms.
You know, this wasn't enough for our members. There is a big gap that we couldn't reach, especially when it's been 16 years since we've had a chance to bargain every area of our contract. And trying to make all that up in one is very hard to do, but our members deserve more. They've spoken loudly, and we're going to go back to the table to try to achieve those things.
Boeing said it did not have an immediate comment on the vote. The strike involves 30,000 machinists in Boeing's West Coast factories and has halted production of Boeing's best-selling plane. During its quarterly earnings call on Wednesday, Boeing reported net losses of $6.2 billion in the third quarter this year and forecast it would burn cash through 2025. New CEO Kelly Ortberg warned there was no quick fix for the struggling company. Time is also running out for Boeing's suppliers. Many heavily invested in materials and tooling to support Boeing's planned ramp-up of jets, but they've also had to furlough workers in recent weeks and hold off on investments due to the strikes. One of them, Spirit Aerosystems, says a 21-day furlough of 700 workers will begin in days' time. Spirit has warned of more drastic furloughs and layoffs should the strikes continue beyond November.